If you use a smartphone every day, there's something you need to know. Because honestly, phone scams are becoming smarter every year. And in 2026, many scams don't look suspicious at all. They often appear as text messages, phone calls, emails, social media, messages, or even fake customer support conversations. So, in this video, I'm going to show you some of the most dangerous phone scams in 2026 and how to recognize them before they become a problem. First, the fake delivery scam. Because this is one of the most common scams in the world, you receive a message saying your package could not be delivered or confirm your address. Then the message includes a link. And honestly, many people click without thinking because they're already expecting a package. The warning sign is simple: always verify delivery information directly through the official company app or website instead of using links from unexpected messages. Now, another huge scam: bank account alerts. Because scammers love sending messages that say, "Suspicious activity detected," "Your account has been locked," or "Verify your information immediately." The goal is to create panic so you react before thinking. And honestly, real banks rarely ask you to submit sensitive information through random text messages. Now let's talk about fake technical support, because this scam keeps growing. Someone contacts you claiming to be from Apple, Google, Microsoft, your mobile carrier, or another major company. They may claim your account is compromised, your device has a virus, or urgent action is required. And honestly, legitimate companies generally do not cold call customers asking for passwords or remote access. Now, another dangerous scam: QR code scams. Because people trust QR codes more than links. Scammers place fake QR codes on posters, parking meters, advertisements, emails, and messages. When scanned, the code may lead to fake login pages, payment requests, or phishing websites. And honestly, always check where a QR code comes from before scanning it. Now let's talk about fake job offers. Because this scam exploded recently. You receive a message promising easy work, flexible hours, high income, and immediate hiring with little or no experience required. The scam usually involves upfront payments, fake training fees, or requests for personal information. And honestly, if an opportunity sounds too good to be true, it's worth investigating carefully. Now, another growing scam: social media impersonation. Because scammers create accounts pretending to be friends, family members, celebrities, or businesses. Then they ask for money, gift cards, account verification codes, or personal information. The safest approach is to verify the person's identity through another method before responding. Now, let's talk about AI voice scams, because this is one of the newest threats scammers may use. AI-generated voices that sound similar to someone you know. For example, a family member calling in an emergency requesting money immediately. And honestly, this can be extremely convincing. That's why it's important to verify unexpected requests through a second communication method. Now, another common scam: verification code theft. Someone asks you to send them a code that was just texted to your phone. What many people don't realize is that the code is often for email access, account recovery, or password resets. And honestly, you should never share verification codes with anyone. Now let's talk about urgency. Because almost every scam uses pressure. Common phrases include act immediately, your account will be closed, limited time, final warning, urgent action required. The goal is to stop you from thinking carefully. Now, something very important: scammers target everyone. Not just older people, not just beginners, everyone. Because honestly, the best scams are designed to look legitimate. Now, let's be honest for a second. The biggest protection isn't a special app, it's recognizing the warning signs before you respond. And honestly, taking an extra minute to verify information can prevent major problems. So, to wrap this up, the most dangerous phone scams in 2026 include fake delivery messages, bank alert scams, fake tech support, QR code scams, job offers scams, social media impersonation, AI voice scams, and verification code theft. Because honestly, once you know what these scams look like, they become much easier to avoid.